How to view hero or team up ability in Marvel Rivals. So while you're on the matchmaking page or you're on the character picking page, you click on F1 on your keyboard or just simply click on hero profile here at the bottom. So open up F1. As you can see, these are all the attacks and abilities that that particular hero or character has. And you could also click on F2 to show all of the team up abilities right here. You could also request for a teammate to use that character for a team up by clicking on the middle mouse or the scroll wheel button. You can see team up request sent. And you could also change your heroes. So let's say you want to know the team ups for Captain America, click on Captain America and confirm. As you can see, this is only the team up for Captain America. But for Doctor Strange, let's say you want to know the team up for Doctor Strange, click on confirm, and these are the team ups for Doctor Strange. So it depends on heroes, on what hero the type of team up is. And you'd also see this on the main menu. You just simply go to the heroes panel and click on the hero, and you will see the abilities and team up. But that's on the main menu. But if you want to quickly check the hero's abilities, you could just simply click on F1 on your keyboard here while going through a character selection. And that's basically it.